Hey everybody, Ian Lobas, Lobas Group, Keller Williams Realty, and today is the second part of the two-part series, 8 Steps to Get Out of Debt and Buy a Home. All right, so last time you got the first 4. Now this time we're going to give you the second 4 of the 8 steps to get out of debt and buy a home. So let's start off with number 5. Prepare for the unexpected. You know, our lives are full of struggles, and certain unplanned expenses will pop up from time to time, like car repairs or medical bills. So you got to set aside some money that you save from cutting your expenses for unexpected things that come up. So how are you going to save for those unplanned expenses? Well, the money from the groceries that you're cutting out, or the latte budget, or the movie budget, you actually take that money, put it in a separate savings account so you're not tempted to use it. So if something does come up, like a car repair or an unexpected medical bill, that you actually have that money on tap so you're not dipping back into your actual budget to pay for those unexpected items. Here's number 6, kind of a no-brainer: lower your interest rates. You know, at any time you can contact your credit card company and you can ask them to offer you a lower interest rate on your credit card. I mean, if not, then shop around for a card with a lower rate and transfer your balance to the new one. That's simple. So along with lowering your interest rate, see if your bank offers consolidation loans where they actually pay off all your credit cards and all the debt, and they actually let you pay them back at a lower interest rate. It's a good idea. Here's number 7, and this is important: acknowledge your progress. You know, reward yourself at some point along the way with different milestones. So honestly, give yourself incremental milestones like $500, $1,000, $1,500, $2,500, and reward yourself with something fun. You know, if rewards cost money, then set aside a little bit of extra cash from the grocery bill or the latte or the movie budget to actually reward yourself for this very purpose. There's no sense in adding to your debt due to your celebration of reducing it. So keep the reward under like $100. You know, the emotional significance of reaching a milestone is far more important than the value of that reward. So when you're choosing a reward, put more emphasis on the meaning than its actual monetary value. Finally, number 8, keep building that snowball or that avalanche. So the more items that you can knock off your list, the more money you'll have to pay off the remaining debt. And then with each new milestone, add more money to your savings account. And as you eliminate debt, you're going to want to increase your savings and plan for your future. Example, buying a house. So, you know, at a certain point, if you need help with this, obviously contact a financial planner or your accountant or something like that. But if it's really simple and you want to just have a couple tips, take a look at this video and then ask me any questions that you have about simple ways that you can reduce some debt and start saving for the house you're going to purchase. Because really, the savings that you need is not as much as you think it would be. It's not tens upon tens upon tens of thousands of dollars. I mean, you know, relatively speaking, unless you're buying a really huge house and you got to put 20% down. I mean, really, you know, the FHA and conventional requirements now are 3.5%, 5%, 10%, 20%. So you have a choice in there, and there are all kinds of different plans that you can get through the county or the state that help you with down payment assistance. So if you have those kind of questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime, and I can guide you through that process as far as budgeting, the amount of time that it's going to take, you know, as long as you stick to the plan, and then any other things and programs, things like that you can take advantage of that'll help you get to that milestone of purchasing your first home or purchasing another home faster. All right, so here's some bonus material. A lot of people ask me for a little bit more information in the video, so I'm going to give you a little bit more bonus material on some extra tips to cut spending. So find some tax deductions and credits. I mean, go to your CPA, ask them if there's anything else you can do to reduce your tax expense, your tax liability, and get a better return or a better refund. Abandon any unused subscriptions and memberships to like a gym you're not using, Netflix, Hulu, like all the online stuff. That stuff adds up. $10 here, $15 here. So eliminate any of those unused memberships or subscriptions. Cut down on expensive hobbies like, I don't know, paintballing every weekend and you spend $500, or going crazy skiing. Start to cut down on that stuff. I mean, you're just doing it for a temporary time so that you can just save the money to purchase a home. And once you do that, if you've got the money, you can still go back to those things. Never pay full price. So use some negotiation tactics to get some prices down, and don't be a snob. You know, don't be too proud to shop at a thrift store every once in a while if you have to, or you know, buy some clothes at a non-name brand store or like a non-high-end store. Just remember, you've got a goal. The goal is to buy a house, so you're really just focusing on that goal for just a little bit of time that it's going to take to get that down payment together and get the closing costs and some other moving expenses together. And once you do that, you can go back to that lifestyle. But I guarantee you're going to learn something about yourself, your spending habits, and what it takes to actually commit to the goal and achieve it. That's it. all 8 things that you can do to reduce debt and purchase a home. So again, if you like this video, I'd love it if you send it out to your friends, email it, blog it, put it on your social media page. And as always, if you have any questions about this topic or any other topic I cover, or if I haven't covered a topic that you want me to cover, email me, call me, private message me. I'll be happy to shoot a video on it. You know, all these things that we cover are questions that our clients, our family, our friends, people around us are asking every day. And I take the ones that people ask me the most and I shoot a video just so everybody can find out, you know, my opinion on it, as well as what other people are wondering too, so they don't feel alone. So if you need anything, give me a call. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.